First pedals or first balance. Here are safe, fun bikes to get kids rolling with confidence. First, JOYSTAR 16-inch coaster, $139.99. The JOYSTAR 16-inch kids bike comes assembled with a coaster brake for easy stopping, ideal for kids transitioning from balance bikes. It's sized for growing children and arrives ready to ride so parents can skip the setup. The sturdy frame and straightforward braking make first rides more confident and less stressful. Second, Schwinn Toddler 16-inch training wheels, $179.99. Schwinn's 16-inch Toddler bike includes removable training wheels so you can progress from assisted riding to independent pedaling. Known for dependable build quality, this Schwinn is a comfortable step for early learners, with safe geometry and a kid-friendly saddle. When they're ready, the wheels come off and the fun really begins. Third, KRIDDO 14-inch balance, custom stickers, $129.99. The KRIDDO balance bike is a 14-inch model with customizable stickers, perfect for toddlers learning balance before pedals. Lightweight and simple, balance bikes teach coordination without the complexity of gears or brakes. The sticker customization makes it personal and fun, encouraging kids to take ownership of their first rides. Fourth, JOYSTAR Princess 16-inch Handbrake, $149.99. This JOYSTAR Princess-themed 16-inch bike includes a handbrake for teaching braking control earlier, plus a kid-friendly design. It's eye-catching and practical, great for children who want a themed bike with real stopping power. The handbrake helps prepare young riders for road-style braking as they progress. Fifth, Schwinn Toddler 14-inch training wheels, $169.99. Schwinn's 14-inch Toddler bike with training wheels is sized for smaller riders and built with safe, durable components. It's a trusted brand for families who want reliable fit and finish plus simple transition features. The training wheels provide that extra confidence while kids learn to pedal and steer.